you guys to vote on what I should make for my new video, whether I should make sweet potato pie or apple pie, and you guys chose sweet potato. Okay, now that is some sweet potato pie. Hi everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel. I asked you guys to vote on what I should make for my new video, whether I should make sweet potato pie or apple pie, and you guys chose sweet potato. So I'm gonna make sweet potato pie today, and it's really easy. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. First, I roasted 3 sweet potatoes. They're quite large actually. I roasted them for 45 minutes on 425 degrees, and I let them rest for about 10-15 minutes, so they're still warm. Now over here I have, over here, you guys, I have some 2 pie crusts, and you can use pre-made pie crust, which is what I'm doing today. It saves on time, it's a lot easier, or you can pre-make your own, whatever works for you. I think this kind tastes just as good as when I make my own, but whatever you choose, feel free to do. So, over here, we have, let's get this mixer out of the way so you guys can see our ingredients. We have sugar, 2 types of sugar, granulated sugar, light brown sugar, butter, 3 eggs, nutmeg, ground cinnamon, some pure vanilla extract, some lemon just to squeeze a little bit on there for that flavor, some evaporated milk, and a little salt that we're gonna just use a pinch of. So what we're gonna do first is we're going to go ahead and cut our sweet potatoes. Let's just cut them like so. And you definitely don't want them to be piping hot, just because when you mix it with that egg, you don't want that egg to cook. So, and it's easy too on your fingers, so that you can just go ahead and peel them, right? Ooh, it smells really good. I wish you guys could smell this. Okay, you guys, so we are peeling it. Definitely try not to get this sweet potato skin in there, because it will not be a good texture if you bite into that when you have a piece of pie. Okay, so just like that, look how easy that was, right? Just kind of make it easier on yourself, break it, right? Let me move this closer to you guys. And yeah, so we're gonna just do this with all 3 sweet potatoes and then mix all the ingredients together. Okay, so our sweet potatoes are all nice and just peeled, and I'm going to add in the softened butter. And again, as you guys know, I will have all the measurements down below in the description box. I love how I just let this butter kind of sit out for a little under an hour, just so it can get nice and soft. Now we are going to add our sugar combination. Just kind of let that get all mixed up. And I kind of like to mix it up beforehand, but you really don't have to. That's just me. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in like so. There we go. Mash that up a little bit. You see, it is already smelling good, you guys. This is exactly how I actually like my sweet potatoes, with brown sugar, some butter, and all that gooey goodness with the sweet potato. And we're going to mix this about medium speed. I can already tell this is going to be a delicious pie. Okay, it is absolutely perfect. That's why you want to start off with not nearly as much sugar as you would think, even though that was quite a bit of sugar, but it's perfect. You don't need to add any more. If you choose to, you can. Even if I chose to add another 1/4 of a cup, it wouldn't be too much. But this is perfect. This is exactly how I like it. I don't like it super sweet, but I do like that sweetness. Just the kind of sweet potato pie I'm used to. All right, you guys. So now we are going to add in the eggs. Ooh, ooh. The bowl wants to go in too. And I always like to crack my eggs into a bowl first, just so that, a smaller bowl, just so that I know that I'm not getting any shell in the actual big bowl that I'm mixing everything together in, because that's hard to get out with the shell. So Go ahead and mix that up. All right. Now this recipe is so quick. To be honest, the sweet potatoes really just do all the work for you because they're already so soft. And also too, I meant to mention that the reason why I roast my sweet potatoes is because it helps to bring out all that flavor, and it actually traps in its own flavor, and you kind of get that nice aromatic kind of smell when you roast them. And also too, if you boil, sometimes it can lose some of the nutrients. So of course you want the pie to taste good, but you also want it to be nutritious. So it's best to just roast them. And also too, if you roast them, you don't have to watch them as much as you would with boiling water if it boils over. So it's always best just to roast them. And if you guys could tell earlier, I had that kind of sappy, just the sweet potato kind of sap syrup coming out. And that's how you know that that is a good roasted sweet potato. Let's add in some spices. I'm gonna use, let's see, let's open this up. I'm gonna use a little less than, a little less than this, a little less than a teaspoon of nutmeg. There we go. Now the spices are really up to you how much you want to use. I would recommend not going any more than a teaspoon of something, just because it might be overpowering. It might overpower the sweet potato, and that's what you really want to stand out. So right now I'm using about a teaspoon. Yeah, a teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of vanilla extract. There we go. I'm gonna just go ahead and finish off that bottle there. Just a little squeeze of lemon. You can use lemon extract if you'd like, but I'm just gonna use the lemon I had in my fridge. There you go. And let's add in this evaporated milk. This is about half a cup. And go ahead and scrape the sides too. This consistency is going to be perfect for this pie. Now I'm gonna turn up the mixer just a little bit so we can remove some of these lumps. Just get a nice fast mix, but it's good in the beginning to combine it anywhere from low to medium speed. Alright guys, so I went ahead and switched to this kind of mixer so that it's a little bit easier to mix up and kind of mixes up better. But we're gonna go ahead and just fill our pie dishes with this, can you guys see, with this nice pie filling there. Yes. You guys, this is something you definitely want on your holiday menu because this is something that gets eaten up really fast, and everyone loves sweet potato pie, right? Everybody loves it. So making this actually makes me miss both my grandmoms, because they used to always make this every time I would go visit North Carolina and Virginia. There was always sweet potato pie waiting, collard greens, chicken, you name it, all the southern staples. And we're going to put this in the oven on 375 and bake it for 45 minutes. Okay guys, so the pies are in the oven for 45 minutes, and now I'm excited to try this. Now I let these rest for about 30 minutes after they got out of the oven, and it is smelling so good. Now they are still warm to the touch. It just smells so good. I wish you could smell this kitchen. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. So we're gonna cut into this and we are going to try a piece. And it cuts so easily too. Oh yeah, you hear that? Oh yes, yes, yes. Here we go. I'll cut just a medium-sized piece. Oh my gosh, this smells so freaking good. Oh, I want you to come see. Come see just how nice and and sweet potato-y and how moist you can tell it already is. I hope you can see this. Can you guys see this? All right, let's take a bite. Okay, now that is some sweet potato pie. The consistency, the texture, it just melts in your mouth, you guys. Oh my goodness, and you know what? If you just let it sit for maybe 10 minutes longer, let it rest for about half an hour. If you let it rest for 10 minutes longer, it should solidify a little bit more and not break so much like mine did, but it was okay. I was ready to eat it. I couldn't wait anymore. This is so good. I think my grandmothers will be proud. Okay, I don't want you guys to miss out on making this recipe. I'm gonna put the recipe in the description below. I can't even talk because this is so good and I want to finish this. But if you guys make this, please be sure to post about it, tag hashtag Madilicious, and follow me on Instagram at Madison Amara and Madilicious350, MADILICIOUS 350. All right, guys, I'm gonna go enjoy my pie. This probably is gonna be gone by, just one pie is probably gonna be gone by the end of the night. I'll probably give one to my neighbor. We'll see if it lasts. But thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. And enjoy this pie when you make it because you won't want to miss out. Okay, bye, guys. Bye. This is a good pie. This is actually like really good.